Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the O-Cedar Easywring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System, a game changer for your cleaning routine. This innovative system boasts a plastic mop handle and a hands-free wringing mechanism thanks to its built-in foot pedal, making floor cleaning easier and more efficient than ever. The microfiber mop head is designed to remove over 99% of bacteria using just water, ensuring a safe and eco-friendly clean for your home. Plus, the mop head is washable and reusable, offering both convenience and sustainability. Its unique design allows it to reach into corners and under furniture effortlessly, ensuring no spot is left untouched. Compatible with the O-Cedar Easywring Spin Mop Refill, this system is perfect for those looking to maintain a spotless home with minimal effort. So, if you're ready to elevate your cleaning game, the O-Cedar Easywring is the perfect addition to your household cleaning arsenal. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.